Why can't you trust my wife for 10? We're back with another one. This is season 2. This is episode 2. After time, I'll stop telling y'all and it would just get back how it used to be, regular on a daily basis. I'm excited today because today is my boy's birthday, Terrell. You already know what I'm saying, man. He pulling up with the black wheels, spinning that thing. But let's get into this episode. Right now, y'all. I'm trying to go. I'm gonna get her some stuff out of here. The first thing you got. Oh, look at me with the strawberry. You look cute with the little bow. Ooh. Look at my shirt. Which one you want? Pick one. That one. That one. You want that one? That one? Ooh, let me put your clothes. Which one? That one? You want that one? Alright, bet. What you got today? Let me look at the drill. Look at the drill. Show you. You got your diapers, you got your snacks, juice, stuff. She got a little friend right here. She got this friend, Nate. She got a little teddy bear and everything, y'all. Now we're finna hit the checkout and be gone. Alright, getting this workout in right quick. On the second episode. Still excited around this season, man. I'm out here finna get this good workout. Just shooting around on the goal out here, man. Getting about, I say about 500, 400 shots. I love my fadeaways. I do about 100. No, I do like 50 to 100 fadeaways. Or if I keep missing, I keep going, and it turn out to be like 500 something. Cause I gotta hit that shot. I wanna hit the shot, man. Out the bat, boy, that's kind of easy, baby. My boy Malik back there getting the fire ready for the night. We're gonna have a campfire for y'all tonight on the other vlog. So y'all better stay tuned and be ready for tonight. I can't wait for y'all to see the campfire. This is the pit Malik sent up. We're gonna have the chairs around it. All that. The campfire right here look very nice. We gotta load up on the wood so it won't go right. No, more right here. She got a tattoo now. CLV, coveted. Tonight, y'all, he got a big campfire for y'all. And I can't wait for y'all to see it. This is the second episode. The first episode was lit. Y'all gotta go watch it if you didn't go watch it. Y'all just stay tuned. And just, you know, campfires ain't bad. Anybody get in the campfire, it's nice. Like once you do it, it just addictive because it's just people around you love type stuff. You got it set up already, man. Y'all see it, man. We getting it prepped up. By the time he done, it's gonna look beautiful. Stick's gonna be powdered everywhere. It's gonna look so neat. The stick gonna come up, and soon we light it tonight. It's gonna be crazy. Check them out. We got some over there. What? And then we're gonna put them in there. Probably gonna have to go get some more back there, y'all. Big campfire tonight on the Saturday. Gonna be real nice. My boy Malik. That's that 4-hour wood right here, y'all. I can't let y'all on the sauce. I let y'all see right there. You better pause it. Can't let y'all know the sauce. They were like 4-hour wood. Yeah, man. They actually burn 4 hours. Y'all gotta see how cool this is. Look at the sun. Look how this wood breaks slow. That's crazy. It feels good too. Wanna break it? Wait, that's crazy. It felt like some clay on God. Like Play-Doh. It didn't make no sound when it was cracking either. That's crazy. Man, ooh, starting to look official right here, y'all. Oh no. No, who that is, y'all? She said day 2, y'all. Paris, what you want to tell them today?
We about to have fun today.
They gonna say the trampoline again?
Yep, every morning.
What they say your shirt say? Quest for that. I'm gonna leave you the only person to do it.
Huh? I do what?
Win a ring by.
Win the ring?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
By yourself. Damn.
I need to. No, need to give my ring.
No, they ain't get to you.
They give my ring.
You made history.
History, boy. First individual state champion at Newton High School, triple jump, 2013. Look me up, nigga.
Look 'em up. And it's all history. It's in the only person to do it. It's crazy.
Yeah, JJ came up behind me.
No.
JJ was second. Bounce.
I'm about to say where.
Bounce. Hey, bounce this.
Oh boy, I was finna say he going 8. Look at Paris, y'all. She up now. She gonna build it up for y'all. Y'all already know how we go. We wake up like this and then boom. The next moment we look like some fashion people.
Period.
Oh God.
Yeah,
I forgot.
maybe if I don't jump.
Wait.
Jump?
I mean, I thought you used to play.
I tried
Go.
out.
Go. 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 Damn.
Big deal.
Defense say. Go ahead, bit out. Paris is taking her time on the shot. Oh, she's very nervous. I don't know if she's gonna make this or not, but if she misses the shot, it's her life.
Shut up.
People, she's desperate to make this shot. She wants a shot of the day. She takes the shot. Oh my God, she misses! Here she go. With the tattoo on her left arm. She has a tattoo on her left arm. She gives up for the shot. She puts one leg on the front of the trampoline. She's getting ready to shoot! My God! She misses the shot of the light. Shot, y'all. She comes in for the final attempt of the day. The Newton shirt on might give her good luck. She's spinning the ball around. She might kiss it. She won't kiss it. She's not gonna kiss it. She go. Oh, she put it on her head. She's finna take the shot, people. So close. Paris right now is not taking my all daily walk. No, Paris, hit her face. She didn't hide her face at the house, y'all. We take a walk every day. No, you gonna do me like that? She counting on y'all so hard. Y'all heard it though. Paris, hell. How you doing? Yeah, man, finish this walk today. I'm finna go in the house, chill, Malik Day. But Paris, my dog right here. Y'all probably like, steal your dog? Like, dang, she ain't gonna never leave, is it?
Nope.
I was hoping she was gonna leave one day, but she ain't never leave. I'm just playing, y'all just joking. Just joking. No. No! My boy birthday today. Check him out, he cheesing hard. What's up, Terrell? No, Tyler ain't
Wait.
Mustang or is it like S? You gotta say something today, Tyler.
It's L1.
New day.
Just
Get some new money.
Mustang, man.
Yeah, what's going on?
Y'all. He had left. Malik finna come out here and help him, but I wanna know he went. But we finna try to put it up. Check out Malik holding the pole. We probably know get something to go to it. You think? Check this out. Get out the way. Oh yeah, you can. Oh, he's sticking. Oh.
He told me I would have had my baby away.
Guys, this is fire tonight. Check it out, man. We told y'all we had the fire for y'all tonight. I had to finish.
Goddamn bad part, nigga.
I promised on the vlog.
You did miss the best part.
Shit, we almost burnt the damn tree
I
down.
promised on the fire. Y'all missed the tea thing, but oh man, about 2 o'clock in the morning.
Y'all was upset we were there
Getting that wood on.
I'm gonna go until you stop.
Can't just
Stop.
stop.
Let
that shit ride, 88.
I'm lost for words.